Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. Today I will show you how I will make a day planner for kids to structure their day. It will involve wooden boards for the tasks, so let's cut down the wood and plane it down until it's the right thickness. I'm attaching my boards with double-sided tape to some scrap wood. This way I can plane it down thinner than my planer actually can. Make one straight cut on one side of the boards and then I can cut my task boards into the right length. And then it's laser time! On one side I'm engraving the task and on the other side I'm engraving stars. Now that all my plates are done, I can see what size I want my board to be. And as usual, first some work at the jointer, then the planer, cut it down to size, plane it down to size, sand it smooth, you know the process. I want that the board stands at an angle, so I'm cutting it at the bandsaw at a 20-degree angle, and then I'll smooth that face on the jointer. For some more support I made a bottom piece, and I'll also cut two side pieces. Later on I decided if I close that gap at the back, I have a storage place. Now it was time to make some small slats for the task boards to go behind. It's a strip of wood, L-shaped. Here I'm making the side support pieces. I'm using a combination of wood glue and super glue, so the super glue can act as a clamp. So we're almost finished, just need some sanding on the little task boards. Cut the runners flush and sand it smooth. Here, off camera, I decided that I need a back piece so I can store my boards in the bigger board, if you know what I mean. And then it was time for oiling! I'm using Rubio Monocoat Oil Plus 2C Pure. Wipe it on with a rag or a brush and wipe it off after 10 to 15 minutes. Easy as that. And yes guys, here you have it, the finished project. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in one of my new videos, or you can always check out one of my old videos. Bye!